At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, take a look at my screen. Look who see up there. So, UK companies to supply and install 55 bridges across Jamaica in multi-million-dollar deal. Wanna hear this here? All right. Who said they want to remove the king? Talk truth, my people. Me telling you, me telling you, say the underdog is Andrew Wellness. Me a warn you, Jamaica. If you say you want to remove the king, why you now accept all these things right now? Right now, you accept all these things. Wait, them never know so we want bridge from how much years ago? Them never know so we want bridge how much years ago. Them just realize so we want bridge now when Jamaica fi turn republic. Read between the lines, Jamaica. Read between the lines. Me telling you say Andrew Wellness pledge allegiance. Me showing you in one of my video yesterday. Andrew Wellness pledge allegiance. Andrew Wellness is the one we should be mindful of. Wanna hear me? Andrew Wellness is the problem. I'm at the problem because you're out here talking about you want to remove the king. You don't want to remove Privy Council. You know why? Now you accept all these things. Why are you accepting all these things and you say you want to remove the king? Does it make sense, my people? It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. The United Kingdom UK has reaffirmed its commitment to Jamaica infrastructural development through a multi-million-dollar accelerated bridge renewal program. When you hear them something here? And Andrew Wellness say he want to remove the king. This is why you see him a hold on pan the Privy Councillor. This is why you see Andrew Wellness is holding on. He don't want to remove the Privy Council, but he claims say he want to remove king. You see Andrew Wellness? You see, una labor right out here every day I talk about Mark Golding. Una fi come off of Mark Golding back. Come off of Mark Golding back because Mark Golding is not the problem. I always tell you no, Andrew Wellness are the problem. He is the biggest problem because now look, him say him want to remove the king, but yet he might go in partnership with them to build 55 bridges. Blouse and skirt. It seems to me Andrew Wellness and them have a plan. It seems to me like Jamaica already a republic and Andrew Wellness means say him now remove the Privy Council. It seems to me that way. It seems to me that way because how you are take on all this? How you are take on all this and election not come yet? Who give you the right to take on all this? Watch all Nesta Morgan face. Look, just take a good look at Nesta Morgan. Who am a skin off in 31. Just take a good look. And watch Favour Williams. Like, really? Really? My people, the people them in the comment section not happy about it at all. So hear this. So this person called Focus said, unfortunately, we might get 5 out of the 55. The rest of the money gone miraculously like normal. Wanna hear that, my people? This person when named Focus is really concerned about the money because he said only 5 out of the 55 him strongly believe Jamaica go get. Because when I really check it, at the money them a go get, At the money them a go get. Boy, me not understand Andrew was saying want to remove the king. I really don't understand him. Another person named Unorthodox said, I like what this government is trying to achieve. For many years, our road network has been in a state of disrepair. Now we see the work being done to lessen the discomfort of the public through prudent initiatives. Well done, Dr. Holness. You are truly a transformational leader. Brother, it look like this man I can't read. The people them say Bridges. The people, they never say road. The people, them say bridges. We don't even have road. We don't even have road. So I don't know what you're talking about. I really don't know what you're talking about you like what the government is trying to achieve. You know what Andrew Wallace are trying to achieve? Eh? You need to go, man. You need to go read and get some knowledge and understanding. Andrew Holness alone again from this. Him and Juliet Holness and in cronies. Jamaican people now gain this. So, for Andrew Holness to go in and one deal, why now? That is the question, you know. Why you want to go in this deal right now when uno on the road to Republic uno claim? Wanna see? Something alright. So this person named Breadfruit is asking, some more money borrowing? Are they the actual builders or the money will be given to the government? So uno hear what she concerned about or he concerned about. This person is asking if I borrow them, I go borrow money. Or them a get actual builders. They not, darling, they don't get no actual builders. Not a builders. Andrew Holness a go get in Chinese builder them. That's all. You go get the Chinese builder them and the bridge then just not go build good. It's just a waste of time. It's just a waste of time. Just like how them a build up the road. Yeah? And the road them a mash up pure cheap material they use and build the road. Wanna hear me? Pure cheapness. The way Andrew Holness love money. He rather buy cheapness. The man rather buy cheapness and keep the rest of the money. Hey, I want thieving man this, you know. I want thieving man this. I mean, I know how why. You see? Just because people not speak out, you know. Remember say Andrew Wallace come on platform, you know, all the time, you know, and make Jamaica look good, you know. Which Jamaica is not that reality. You understand? The real reality is the roads them bad. But it might make you look good on the international platform like the road them is good. So people actually believe him. You know why? Because we not speak out. We the resident not speak out. So them don't know what is going on. So anything them talk, you know, them believe. Anything them talk, Andrew Wallace talk on international platform, them believe my wisdom warriors. Remember say Andrew Wallace go tell them, you know. So we have 900 shelters, you know. Remember good, you know. This man is a born liar. This man is a born liar. And to me, we just not understand the whole of this right now. So this person called Fear wrote, so they can't find Jamaican Caribbean engineering companies to do this. Always running to the white man. Another reason to vote out this government. Listen to me. Listen to me. Only hear then cause Mark Golding, but Mark Golding PL and this and that and one bag of something. Then can't do without the PL people. Andrew Holness cannot do without the PL people. 99% of the investors and stakeholders are PL people. You hear me? So when Andrew Holness, them and in crew and in administration across Mark Golding, I just threw them afraid like a puss. Through them afraid. And they know say some Jamaican people they fool. You understand? So they use this racist tactics upon them. And just that. Really and truly. That's why I call them a hypocrite. That's why I call Andrew Holness administration, the whole of them is a set of hypocrite. The whole of them. My wisdom warriors, trust me, man. Trust me. We have to stand firm. Wanna hear me? We have to stand firm in the Gideon. We have to. We have to. Because I don't know why this man I going to do all of this right now. England are come to you right now with this. Why they never come 5 years ago? Why them just a come now? Read between the lines. Carl Samuda, the long-serving Member of Parliament for St. Andrew North Central, is likely to remain the Jamaica Labour Party JLP representative in the upcoming general election, despite previous indications that he would retire, the party has suggested. JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang told the Gleaner on Friday that Samuda is reconsidering his exit, given the lack of a clear successor and the party's desire to maintain stability in the constituency. My wisdom warriors, listen, you see the people them in the constituency, them want Carl Samuda to stay. They don't want him to leave. Wanna hear me? They don't want him to leave. Remember, say Horace Chang did come out, you know. Remember, say Horace Chang come out and Andrew Holness come out, you know. How my money I go retire, you know. Remember, you know. Remember good. So how after a sudden, How after a sudden now, them no want him to go. I talk about retire, him not ready for retire. Foolishness. Them just use him for the election, for see if they can win this. So that's all them a do. Hey, me people, me I tell you about Andrew Wallace, you think he easy? Use him, I use Carl Samuda. Use him, I use Carl Samuda, because when they come out other day, they did want him to go. Remember good, you know. They did want him to go. But through them say the people them love Carl Samuda. That's why them use him for election. That's all it is. You see, after election, I done it done. Remember me tell you no, done it done. Then done with Carl Samuda after election. Remember me tell you no. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.